Hey y'all, it's Auntie Dion and I'm back with another tutorial. This is my first time doing a makeup tutorial and I'm in no way a makeup artist, and I just wanted to just show you how I apply my makeup. Here I'm just applying my primer. It's no famous primer in particular, it's e.l.f. and I'm using BH Cosmetics brushes. Next, I'm using orange color corrector. I had a pimple there and just a few other dark spots. I wear glasses, so sometimes the rim around my eyes is a little dark. And my lip. No problems there, just wanted to be extra. Now I'm going in with my Real Techniques blending sponge. And combing out my eyebrows before I apply them. Now my eyebrow method, usually I go in and I outline my eyebrows with a chocolate brown or a deep brown pencil, but for some reason I was in a rush that morning and forgot to do that step. But this is the second step that I do to my eyebrows, and that is just the Maybelline. I forgot what it's called, but I will put the name somewhere down below at the bottom of the screen. And I was just showing you what the brush looks like. It's kind of like a mascara, but instead of it being the typical mascara brush, it's like a regular brush, just so you can brush it on your eyebrows. And now I'm going in my under eye, and that I believe is a NYX under eye pencil. So after I do my eyebrows, the next step that I do is I go in with the LA Girl concealer to clean up around my eyebrows. And I use the concealer brush to help blend it in. And I blend in a downward motion to go under my eyebrow, and then I go upward above my eyebrow. And sometimes I blend down onto my eyelid to kind of act as a primer for my eyeshadow. And I got a little bit on my eyebrow, and I have to go back in and clean that up. There I am with the pencil, trying to sharpen the corners of my eyebrows. Yes, say hi to Camden. He didn't want to say hi. I'm going back in for my eyebrows because I missed that step. It kind of threw me off. I knew something wasn't right, but at the moment I was rushing and couldn't figure out exactly what it was. So I'm going back in on my eyelids with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm using Fenty makeup foundation. I'm not sure what color it is, which is a shame, but I will put that at the bottom of the screen. And this brush I got from Wish. It's not a name brand brush. I just saw it and thought it might be a good foundation brush, and it is one of my favorite foundation brushes thus far, and I've tried a few brands. I'm taking my time to blend the foundation in. And I'm going to conceal with LA Girl Pro Concealer. And again, I do not know what color that is. And that's just a technique that I learned to show where to put my concealer. And that's, you do like a duck pout look, and that helps you find your jawbone. And then you put it right there in between that line. Where I'm putting my finger lets me know where my jawbone is and where I need to put that concealer. I also learned to do it like a number 3 around the outside of your face, which includes your forehead, your cheeks, and then under your chin. But I decided not to connect the lines. I just did 5 different lines in the different spots. And I'm going back in with my Real Techniques blender. See, those eyebrows are still bothering me. I think I got a little makeup on it and was trying to fix it. To finish up, I put the black Radiance powder foundation on to make sure to set my makeup. I'm still not sure what color that is either. I will put that at the bottom of the screen also. And now I am setting the concealer, the contour concealer, with the Covergirl Queen bronzer. And now I'm going to do my eyeshadow. That is the blending brush from the Real Techniques brush line. I'm not sure what that is, but all of this information I will more than likely leave down below in the description box. And to begin, I'm using I believe in double use of makeup, and sometimes because I don't have an eyeshadow color that blends perfectly with my skin, sometimes I use my contour color, my setting powder, or sometimes I also use my bronzer to help, and they give me a pretty good flawless look from what I'm applying for. And that is a black Radiance blush, but instead of using it as a blush, I decided to use it as an eyeshadow. Like I said, I'm all about saving money and using makeup doubles. That stuff is pretty much the same material, it's just packaged different and with a different name. It's the same product made the same way. I believe in maximizing uses. And I'm using this BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, which is a collaboration with Missy Lynn. And this palette also contains two beautiful highlighters, which are my favorite highlighters. I've yet to buy any other highlighters because these are my go-to. And with my makeup, you will find that I use some high-end brands, but not every product I use is high-end, because I believe in cutting costs and saving money. So I'm using the color, and I don't know what the color is. I'm using that color to put on my eyelid to do the kind of foil look. Now, I'm no makeup artist, and I'm not perfect with my makeup looks. I just can do what works for me. And as a matter of fact, I don't even know if this is still a popular trend. I've seen it, been able to make it work for me, so I've been sticking to it. And this is Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I struggle with putting makeup on my under eyes, so you saw me go in afterwards and kind of wipe some of it away. And here's a lipstick. I believe this is Viva Glam 2 or 3 by MAC. And yes, I still wear regular lippies. If I spent money on it, I'm going to use it. And I'm going to use it until it's gone. And then I'm going over it with NYX Copenhagen, I believe. And here I am after I applied my hair unit. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe.